Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how can I monitor the progress import large Mysql database from my Ubuntu 20.04 server. Must be server connect from any SSH software. I am using Mobile Extreme. You can use Putty or another software. So this is Mysql user root, Mysql password. It should be installed on your server pb package. Otherwise you cannot run this command. I see my database is javix.sql file, and now my server already installed this package. So now I run this command and now type root user password and see it progress per second 4 megabyte import. This is progress bar and 90% complete, estimated time 15% complete. My DB size is 157 megabyte. I see 59 megabyte already imported, done. 64, 68, 77, 61% done. 75% done. 79% done. 82% done. 135 megabyte done. My database size is 157 megabyte. 94 done. 100% complete. Now wait at least properly working import, and then automatic close this command. Now wait at least 1 minute or more. It will take 1 or 2 minutes for properly working. Imported, done successfully, 100% done. Command is pb and this is file name, grep mysql option u, then username root option p, and this is database name. Is already created this database. Should be a name here, otherwise you cannot import this process. I am waiting for complete successfully. .157 megabyte. I see 157.99. That means 158 approximately megabyte. My database size. Done. Successfully imported, done, and then command execute successfully. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.